प्रभातं छात्राः अष्टमः पाठः संसारसागरस्य नायकाः. We are learning about the people or architects who are building ponds and other construction work all around the world. So their contribution and qualities are explained in this lesson. एतत् एककं दशकं च आहत्य शतकं सहस्रं वा रचयतः स्मः. एतत् एककं दशकं च आहत्य शतकं सहस्रं वा रचयतः स्म. That means these few builders or donors who used to fund the amount to build ponds and number of workers who are constructing the ponds together used to make hundreds and thousands of ponds all around our country. Like this, their contribution is very great. They used to build many ponds all around our society, and they made our country full of water resources. These few ones and tens created hundreds and thousands of ponds. These ones and tens means few number of donors and many number of workers together constructed hundreds and thousands of ponds. Etat, this, ekakam, once, dashakam, tens, ahatya, together, shatakam, 100, sahasram, 1000, va or rachayatah sma, were framing or making. परं विगतेषु द्विशतवर्षेषु नूतनपद्धत्या समाजेन यत्किञ्चित् पठितं. परं विगतेषु द्विशतवर्षेषु नूतनपद्धत्या समाजेन यत्किञ्चित् पठितं. But vigateshu dvishatavarseshu, in last 200 years, nutana paddhatya, through new methods, samajena yatkinchit patitam, our society learned something new. That means because of scientific development, we learned to live in different way. We moved away from traditional way and started to live in modern way. Instead of ponds, we started to build borewells, and we forgot the usefulness of ponds and how these ponds are storing water. All those things we totally forgot. But in last 200 years, this society learned something new. Because of new scientific inventions, we learned to live in different way, forgetting the ancient way. Param, but vigateshu, last, dvishatavarseshu, in 200 years, nutana paddhatya, in new method, samajena, by this society, yatkinchit, something, patitham, learned. In method, H is missing, please correct that. M-E-T, H-O-D. पठितेन तेन समाजेन एककं दशकं सहस्रकं च इत्येतानि शून्ये एव परिवर्तितानि. पठितेन तेन समाजेन एककं दशकं सहस्रकं च इत्येतानि शून्ये एव परिवर्तितानि. But by this so-called educated society, we are calling ourselves as educated and well known, but we forgot our ancient methods and values of that. So, patitena tena samajena, by this educated society, ekakam dashakam sahasrakam cha, one by one, these thousands of ponds, shunye eva parivartitani, changed into zero, means slowly we demolished all those ponds to construct buildings and destroyed all those water resources which are created by our ancestors. To construct many story buildings and all, we destroyed all those ponds. These thousands of ponds converted into zero by this educated society. Patitena by educated, samajena by the society, shunye into zero, parivartitani changed. अस्य नूतन समाजस्य मनसि इयमपि जिज्ञासा नैव उद्भूता यत् अस्मत्पूर्वम् एतावतः तडागान् के रचयन्ति स्म. अस्य नूतन समाजस्य मनसि इयमपि जिज्ञासा नैव उद्भूता यत् अस्मत्पूर्वम् एतावतः तडागान् के रचयन्ति स्म. So this new society, Nutana Samajam, educated society which is developed in the scientific field, Manasi iyamapi jignasa naiva udbhuta. The people of the society never curious to know that yat asmat purvam etavataha tadagan ke rachayanti sma. Who used to build these ponds, how they build without any scientific development and equipments, how they built such type of ponds, what are the benefits of those ponds, whether we need to protect those ponds or not. All these points we never bother to understand. Without thinking any of these aspects and benefits of these ponds, we spoiled completely. In the mind of this educated new society, there was no curiosity that who used to build such ponds before. We supposed to be curious that how our ancestors built these type of big ponds without any scientific development and big equipments. We have many equipments to build things easily, but at that time there was no such equipments. Nutana Samajasya of new society, Manasi in the mind, Iyamapi this, Jijnasa curiosity, Naiva never. Asmat Purvam before us, Etavataha these type of Tadagan ponds, Ke who Rachayantisma used to make. So children, we learnt other part of the lesson. Please learn and understand the translation. Let us continue with the next part tomorrow. Thank you children.